Hi, I'm Nikki Sizemore here in the test kitchen of Fine Cooking Magazine. In this episode, Pete visits a cheese factory. Cheese is such a versatile and delicious ingredient. Here at Fine Cooking, we like to shave hard, aged cheeses such as Parmigiano Reggiano and Grana Padano over pasta instead of grating it. When you shave it, you get these delicate slices that provide a wonderful contrast and flavor to the pasta. As opposed to grating it, the texture and the flavor just kind of get lost. I usually just use a vegetable peeler. Now you want your cheese ideally to be at a cool room temperature. That's going to prevent it from crumbling. And then you just take your vegetable peeler and slice down into these slices. And you can do this right over your pasta bowl, or you can do it into a dish and then garnish later. You can also use the slicer blade of a box grater or a cheese plane to do this. Other aged cheeses work really great for this as well. Nutty aged Gouda, it's caramely and sweet. It has a beautiful color as well that's great over salads. Gruyere, which is really mild but complex. It melts beautifully. I love it with asparagus. Also, I love Manchego. It's a little bit salty, so it pairs perfectly with sweeter ingredients like roasted red peppers. And then Italian Pecorino Romano, which is salty and pungent and just beautiful with milder dishes such as risotto. I'm Nikki Sizemore, and for more recipes and tips, visit finecooking.tv.